Okay, so I didn't come yesterday because we'd had all that rain and they delivered the blocks yesterday. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's like, well, it's clearly not a house, but yeah, it's gonna be a house. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. Jim. Wow, I can hardly even believe it. It's like coming up out of the earth. It's real. Ooh. Well, I'm trying to walk around here this is a Cape Cod, or will be a Cape Cod. If you're interested in following along as we go through this build, please like and subscribe. Follow along, you'll get the updates to my tours around various early American and primitive antique shops and accessories, and as we go about building this, our dream house, reminiscent of an early Cape Cod with current building materials, so that we have little to no maintenance wherever possible. Okay, so there's the, oh, I'm sorry if the camera is shaking because my heart is just beating so hard. I can't believe. I think the hole in the ground, yeah, it was sort of real, but actually seeing it starting to come up out of the ground is just unbelievable. So that narrow area there down below where the blocks are starting, that is the stairway, or the framing, the block for the stairway that will come up out of the basement into the garage. I was just driving around trying to wrap my head around for sure exactly what I want for the garage door. We're blessed to have a couple of historic looking homes, reproduction homes that were built, gosh, I would say probably in the 80s or 90s in our area. And I just came from that area, that street, or those streets, to just kind of wrap my head around exactly what is right, or what will look right here. There's so many options now, and I think that just confuses things even more, or confuses me. And I want it right. Jim very sweetly always says, you know, if you want to change it later, we can always change it. Well, no. It just costs too much to change it later. I want to get it right the first time. Oh my goodness. I can't even believe it. The footer there is for our side porch. That footer is for our garage. And they are going to have an absolutely gorgeous weather day tomorrow. If I remember correctly, it was going to be in the 60s and sunny tomorrow. So, yeah, well, we'll keep filming. This is day, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today's day 6. Of construction. Last week, Thursday, Friday, they excavated. Monday, they laid the footing. Tuesday, the gravel was put in the hole for underneath the basement floor, concrete. Yesterday, it rained, and the concrete block was delivered. And I'm looking around, and I'm wondering if Jim is looking around for the split face blocks. Do you happen to see them? So the part that is outside of the excavated area is the exposed area is supposed to be a split face block. And we are not seeing that currently. So, yeah, we'll need to double check on that for sure. All right. Thanks for following along. And keep watching. I'll be posting videos in the next couple of days of another prim antique shop that I just went to. So I hope you will keep following. Thanks, everybody. See ya. Bye.